If you'll notice from the close-up, I haven't shaved or trimmed my beard or anything today. That's because this is one of those mornings. And so I thought to myself that one of those mornings was the perfect time to talk about Starbucks coffee. This one is for the Nespresso Vertuo. I think that's how you pronounce it. Really not sure. They actually have several different versions for the Vertuo, but I'm going to be talking about the Colombian today. That's what I'm going to try out. Every box has a story. Here's the story of this one. We've always loved coffee from Colombia, and we're never reminded of that more than when we've traveled to the coffee farm, driving treacherous dirt roads. I'm sorry, Starbucks. Driving treacherous dirt roads with a sheer mountain wall to one side, nothing but air for thousands of feet to the other. Somebody risked their life to get me this coffee. Sitting at 6,500 feet of elevation, nestled among the beautiful and distinctive Colombian countryside, these farms produce amazing coffee. The juicy acidity, herbal tones, and signature nutty finish of this 100% Colombian coffee are worth the journey every time. Yes, yes, go risk your life for my coffee. Do it, do it. Just that story makes me want to go out and get the next box. See what that one has to say. Also on the back of the box, it shows that it's a low medium roast, a little bit darker than blonde, with a 7 to 9 intensity level. This is all subjective. This is subjective based on what Starbucks' personal taste in the matter is. So we're going to open it up, show you the capsule. On the back of the capsule, it says single origin, and it's got the green dot, got the barcode on the back. The Vertuo reads the barcode, and then it makes you, hopefully, the perfect cup of coffee every single time. Hopefully. Open her up, stick the capsule in. That does look pretty perfect, doesn't it? Let's try it. That's good. That's good. It's a little bit on the strong side, but that's the way I like it. I also really like that it has that kind of perfect layer of crema right at the top. That is what the barcode and this machine gives you. These Starbucks Vertuo capsules may just be my new way of making coffee on the days where it's just too tough to shave. Now, if you like this video, I'd like you to give me a thumbs up. I'd like you to share. I'd like you to comment. And most of all, I'd like you to subscribe. That's what helps me the most on YouTube. And I'd also like you to have a good day, good year, good life.